Beta-lactamase inhibitor. Clavulanic acid is beta-lactamase inhibitor. This is the structure of clavulanic acid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is known as oxazolidine ring. This is known as beta-lactam ring. ऑक्साजोलिडीन रिंग में सल्फर की जगह ऑक्सीजन है, इधर डबल बॉन्ड है. इस डबल बॉन्ड की ज्योमेट्री मस्ट बी इन सिज फॉर्म, इन जेड फॉर्म. इफ यू चेंज दिस ज्योमेट्री फ्रॉम जेड टू ई फॉर्म, एंड दैट इज ट्रांसफॉर्म. इसको कहते हैं सिज फॉर्म, इसको कहते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्म. सो दिस विल बी नॉट इफेक्टिव. This acid must be free. Free acid is essential for activity. It must be ionized to convert this clavulanic acid into sodium or potassium salt. This site is very important because this position is essential for interaction with beta-lactamase, and this position 5 is also essential for interaction with beta-lactamase. The geometrical configuration must be 2R and 5R. Mean के carbon 2 and carbon 5 both are chiral. 2 will be in R form. R mean clockwise rotation. R mean dextro form, and 5 must be in dextro form. No substitution is allowed here. No acyl group is here. There is no antibacterial action of clavulanic acid. And this is strong beta-lactamase inhibitor. Mechanism इसके लिए ये है कि the clavulanic acid bind with beta-lactamase and plugging the beta-lactamase keep engaged the beta-lactamase. So once the beta-lactamases are engaged, the other antibiotic like amoxicillin present in augmentin, co-amoxiclav, combination of amoxicillin plus clavulanic acid. So amoxicillin will protect from the action of beta-lactamase. Other family including thionamycin. This is also known as carbapenem family. Meropenem and dorypenem, they belong with this family. This was isolated from Streptomyces species in 1976. This is the structure. Sulfur is replaced by carbon. Still, this is a potent antibiotic against gram-positive negative bacteria. This is having low toxicity, but this is not absorbed from GIT. That's why we are injecting. They are poorly metabolized. They are more prone to the acid hydrolysis of GIT, so that's why we are not using orally. The renal enzyme dehydropeptidase inactivate this enzyme. Thank you for listening.